Hello. I want to give you a quick walkthrough on how to engage Molen Associates to do your tax return. So when you get started, you'll receive an email that says, "Let's get started." The subject will be your tax preparation starts here. So when you go in, there'll be 3 steps. So the first one is your engagement letter, questionnaire, and deposit. The next one is uploading your documents. And the third one is a button. You just click it to let us know that you are completely done uploading your tax documents and we can get started. It's important you don't do that one until all of the tax documents are uploaded. So starting with step number 1, it'll take a second. You'll see this little green swirling thing. That just means it's loading, taking you from one step to the next. You'll enter your information here if you are a new client or existing client. So if you say, "I'm a new client," it'll have you fill out your initial information. If not, it'll skip a few steps. Or if you are previously used Molen Associates, but you did not last year, make sure you select this option. I'm going to select returning client just for the sake of simplicity. This one is going to be a partnership return. And note anything listed in green here, these are things that we will need from you. So whether it's an individual or business, this is the same form. You can tell at the top here, there's different steps. These steps they change based on how you select on this first screen. So this will be for a returning client, for a partnership return, and all these green items I will need to provide in order to get started. And then you can select how you'd like to meet with us and when is the best time for your tax advisor to meet you after they've done that data entry. So I'm going to enter some information here just to click submit this step. No changes, no changes. And then any questions you have for the tax advisor, you can enter that here. And then I'll hit submit. And then it will take a few seconds and it should redirect you to our engagement letter. So you will check the box and hit agree and continue. So these are just basically the scope of our engagements. You can read through here. And when you're done, for businesses, you'll type the business name, full name, and signature. If it's just an individual, it'll just have the 2 lines. So I'm going to enter that here. And then it will redirect you to the invoice. So if you're an individual, you receive a invoice for a $200 deposit. For a business, it'll be $600. You can just enter your payment information here. If you have not, if you are a subscription client paying on a monthly basis and your returns are included as part of that, this step should be skipped. So you should skip this invoice screen. If there's an error, please just let us know. We'll go ahead and correct it. So once that is paid, they'll then take you to a screen that says, basically, thank you, received step 1. And then you'll come back to your email for step 2. This is where you'll enter your documents. So you'll click this, and this is to our secure portal. So you'll enter your password. And as a reminder, for individuals, the instructions are right here. And for businesses right here, just make sure it's all capitals, no spaces. And when you get in, you should see each year here. So because we're completing the 2025 return in this circumstance, I'm going to go to 2025 client provided documents, and I will go up right with upload files, upload any pertinent information for this tax filing. So you'll send us documents through this link. We will send them to you here. As you notice, this questionnaire that you just completed will be uploaded already here. So this is just where you'll get the information from us. So your completed tax return, the signed 8879, everything like that will be in this section. But anything you need to provide, you can send here. So when you're done uploading your documents, that's when you move on to step 3. Once again, do not send it to us until all of the documents are completed. You'll just click that and you don't have to take any action. It'll just take you straight to this step here. You don't have to fill out the contact form. That's just if you have any questions, but this is just a confirmation screen. And then you are done. That notifies that everything is done. We'll review everything on our end. As the tax advisor goes through data entry and then quality assurance, they'll make a list of any information that may be missing or questions that we may have to ensure you're getting the proper deductions. If any of that comes up, we may send it back to you to receive additional information, or some of it we could just ask you in that tax appointment. So feel free to let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.